Hello, this is Tim Brasil with Stanley Martin once again, coming from Arlington, Virginia, where today we are installing the piping for the planter boxes at a house here where I have two planter boxes. So let's go take a look at what they are working on here. So you can see here at the front of the house, we've got one planter box here. So you can see they're running their underground pipe, which is a 4-inch PVC pipe, out of the planter box, and it's going to run through this trench over towards the front yard to a dry well, which will be right about where that excavator is sitting. So this is your piping for your planter boxes, typical of Arlington County. And then inside the planter box, this all gets waterproofed. It'll all get cleaned out, and it'll get filled with different types of soil media, gravel, and plants. And we have two planter boxes at this site, so I'll show you the other one. So here we have planter box number 2. See where the pipe comes in here through the sleeve at the bottom to run towards the front yard here, connect with the other planter box, and then it'll drain into the dry well, which eventually will tap into the back of the storm drain at the street. Alright, so that's basically what your piping is for BMP devices in Arlington County.